When you wake up, first thing in the morning, is take a look. What am I carrying over from yesterday into today in my thinking? And now let me take a risk today. One risk a day is the safety net that you create for yourself, that reassures you over and over again that you can handle whatever happens in your life. That's the safety net. Taking a risk a day is the safety net you create for yourself that reassures you over and over again that you can handle whatever happens in your life. And you really don't have to hold on to the stuff from yesterday, from last year, from when you were a child, from what happened before. That energy is done, it's dusted, it's complete. Give yourself the gift of life to wake up and to begin a new day. You know, Jim Rohn says one of the greatest things that he's discovered is to be good to himself and to invest in himself. Invest in your growth and in your development by changing your thinking. Worries lose their power over you when you invest in your growth and development. How do you invest in your growth and development? By just starting to just take that one little risk a day to do something that you didn't do yesterday, to do something that you feel afraid of, to do something that's threatening or that's stressful. Why? Because we have a fear that we're going to get it wrong, that we're going to get a no, that we're going to get rejected, that we're not going to manage, that we're going to be a failure. It's not true. Your life is wonderful. You are wonderful. You can do it. So I'm inviting you tomorrow. When you wake up, the next day that you wake up feeling strong, wake up trusting yourself, and wake up feeling alive. That's the only thing that this life asks of us, is to feel alive. Don't waste your life and hold on to things that is stealing the aliveness from you. Choose to feel alive. No matter what's happening in your life, you can still feel alive. Such is life. Go and do it and be good to yourself. Speak to you soon. Bye.